Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the problem. Log idle and gaming temps so you know how hot the GPU runs. Once recorded, power down, unplug, and ground yourself. Safety first. Now open the case and use short compressed air bursts to remove dust from fans, heatsink fins, and the PCIe area. Make sure to hold fans still or use a terminal to avoid spinning them freely. These first steps reduce airflow obstruction and often drop temps significantly before deeper work. You now inspect the cooling components closely. Remove the GPU cooler if comfortable. Examine fan bearings for roughness and connectors for loose pins. Next, check heatsink mounting screws and standoffs. Uneven pressure or a warped shim causes hot spots, so retorque or replace hardware. Then clean old thermal paste with isopropyl alcohol and apply a thin, even layer of new paste. Replace degraded thermal pads on VRMs and memory. These actions restore proper contact and heat transfer, lowering peak temperatures under load. You finish by reassembling the GPU and case, then run a controlled stress test while logging temps to verify improvement. If temperatures remain high, adjust the fan curve in your GPU utility and consider a modest undervolt to reduce power draw and heat. Make incremental changes and monitor stability. If issues persist despite proper mounting and good paste, escalate, contact manufacturer for RMA or install a third-party cooler or new card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.